Welcome back everyone. Now, in this lecture we are learning about the do while loop. And we'll be using the same example. Okay, so let's make a few changes to our previous program. Okay, so this is how you write a do while loop. First, you type in do and you enter the loop body, and at the end of the loop body you provide the while condition and end it with a semicolon. So how does this loop work? Basically, we have a loop variable. Our condition is provided after the body of the loop. As you can see here, we provided the condition with the help of while, and as long as this condition is true, the loop will get executed. Let's run this. You can see that Java gets printed 5 times. So you must be wondering, why do we need a do while loop? Because it does the same things as the while loop. Now you'll understand the difference between while loop and do while loop when the condition fails. So let's try making the condition false. So instead of being less than or equal to 1, let's make it greater than or equal to 5. So our first condition is absolutely false because 1 is not at all greater than 5. Let's run this and see what the output is. You can see that Java gets printed once. Now I already told you that the loop will only get executed if the condition is true. But in this case, it did work, right? It executed once. So that is the main difference between do while and while loop. The while loop only runs if the condition is true. If the condition is true, it will work. If the condition is false, the body will not get executed. But in case of do while loop, what happens is that the body of the loop will get executed once, and then only it will check for the condition. It means that regardless of the condition result, it will work once, and then only it will check for the condition. If it was a while loop, it will only work if the condition is true, but in case of the do while loop, it will execute the body of the loop once, and only after executing it once, it will check for the condition. So regardless the condition is true or false, the body of the loop will work once. Now that is a major difference between do while loop and while loop. So I hope that is clear to you. So I hope you learned how to use a do while loop. Basically, to use a do while loop, you type in do, you type in the body of the loop, and you then type in the while part with the condition and end it with a semicolon. Simple as that. So that is all about the do while loop. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.